I will show you how I prepare the raw food for my cat. Raw food with the necessary supplements. If you don't use liver and hearts, those are all necessary to add to your cat's diet because the meat is not enough for them. The only thing I'm missing here is vitamin A, and I will make the food, but I did order the vitamin A. Next time I will add it to his food. This is 3 pounds lean ground beef. When you buy food for your cat, when you buy the meat, make sure it's very lean. It doesn't have a lot of fat. So I will show you the proportions of what I use. Okay, so for 3 pounds meat, we will need taurine. This is about, for the 3 pounds, is between 1,000 and 1,500 milligrams, which in grams, I will do 1.5 grams. And I'm using my scale because I wanna do precisely 1.5, that's too much. Okay, 1.48, good enough. Okay. And again, if you use chicken liver and hearts, you can skip on a lot of those. A lot of these vitamins, but I don't want to do the whole grinding thing because I've done it before and I messed up a few blenders. We do have, I bought B complex 100. If you buy B50, you can use one pill. In my case, need to use half. So half a capsule. The other half I'm gonna throw away. I'm not gonna use it. Okay. Half of that. All right. B complex. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, you're gonna use, this is 400, so we only need 200 IU, so it's gonna be also half. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, you need to use 0.4. It's a soft gel, so you're gonna puncture it, and I don't know how you're gonna do 0.4. I mean, everything I guess needs to be. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of that. When you mix it, make sure you mix it very good. 3 yolks. Okay, iodine or kelp. This is very important for them. Kelp, let's see, 0.2 grams. And what I did to get my cat to start eating that, because we just adopted him, he's 13 years old, and his old parents didn't want him, so I did mix his the raw meat. I did mix it with a little bit of a canned food and a little bit of broth, and now he just eats the meat. You slowly remove the canned food from it. Okay, kelp. The eggshells I prepared last time, I took the eggshells, I boiled them first. Then I put them in the oven to dry them out really good. And I used a blender to make to make it look like a powder. So from the calcium, we need 9 grams of that. That seems a lot to me. I don't think I put that much last time. Maybe I'll double check on that. And I'll put it in the notes below. I'm gonna do 6 grams because I don't think I used 9 grams last time. Okay, but I'll double check and I'll add it in the notes. Okay, we did the vitamin D. We do need omega-3, so we're gonna do 2 capsules of that. Be careful when you cut it open so you don't spray yourself with that. I've done it a few times. I've been vegetarian for more than 30 years, and the only thing I don't like is mixing this because you gotta do it by hand to make sure it's mixed very good. But anything for my cat. Okay, we need salt. Salt, we need 2 grams. And make sure you used iodized salt. Okay, 2 grams. You can add broth or you can add drinking water to make it easy to mix it. And I did buy those snack bags that I will open, and I will just put maybe halfway full. It's good to unfreeze it in the refrigerator after 72 hours of the food being frozen in the freezer, so the bacteria are killed. So I do half a bag of that, and that's enough for my cat, you know, for 1 day. And so yeah, those are, I just bought those on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, and then you just throw them out after. But I will open that food. 3 pounds is enough for my cat, and he does eat a lot. It's enough for my cat for at least 10 days. But again, that food is way better than any canned food you can buy or kibble. I don't even feed my cats dry food. If you watch videos of, you know, doctors, veterinarians, they just, some of them will tell you that kibble is good for them, the dry food, but it's not. It dehydrates them. It is not good for them. I think that's good enough. We'll find out. All right, now the back part. Ugh. Let me do some more. And my cat just went to my neighbor's yard. I don't know why. He escapes every day. He comes back, but he goes in her yard. I guess he was left outside for a long time before he found his way to our house. Make sure you mix that food really good. You don't want your cat overdosing on anything if it's just in one spot. Whew. I'm just throwing food everywhere. When it's lean, at least your hands don't get all oily. I mean, they still do, but and to make the food, it's way cheaper than buying them the best cans, which are not even that good. And all the stuff they put in there. Okay, I think that's good enough. I will clean one. Let's do this. About this much. That's what I put in there. Okay, that's that.